You're back there.
Yeah, I'm just getting used to it.
Yeah, take it easy. I'm taking it easy.
This feels so different.
Oh yeah.
I feel like I'm on a tank compared to my bike.
Yeah.
How does mine feel?
Feels like I'm on a skyscraper.
We lowered it.
Compared to that, it's not lower. It's very high.
Well, maybe I have longer legs than you.
I think they are slightly.
And then your back is longer than mine.
Well, I'm just saying, comparing the two, you know.
Yeah. For sure.
It's kind of fun to ride, though.
Oh, yeah.
I'm taking some video of me with this camera here.
It's taking some what?
Taking some video here with this camera, so you got somebody different on it.
Some video.
Video. Video. Video. You know, the pictures, moving pictures.
I think my windscreen is better than yours.
Well, not he done.
I mean, what do you think of the wind with that?
It blocks it pretty good, yeah. I feel a little on my chest because it's getting around, but no, it does a pretty good job around the head area.
So
beautiful over there.
So yeah. So you've scraped your pegs on this bike, haven't you?
Upon occasion.
Did it freak you out?
It's quite alarming, even if you're expecting it. There's nothing subtle about it. It's like, hey!
Hey! This guy gonna ride his brakes the entire way down the hill?
Has been.
Good grief.
Good grief.
Good grief, Charlie Brown. It's different taking a corner with this.
Oh, yeah? I feel like I can lean this one farther, or it does lean farther because I'm higher up. It's geometry, you know. The farther away you are from the pivot point, the farther you have to move.
You're saying it's easier, or what?
Well, you have to lean this one farther because it's higher up, right?
Yeah.
So it feels like I'm leaning it farther. I don't know if it's turning any tighter, but since that one's lower to the ground, you know, the closer you are to the middle of the circle, to go to the same amount of degrees, you actually move a smaller amount, if that makes any sense.
Yeah, makes sense.
And so this is farther away from the pivot point. My upper body and everything moves farther to lean the same angle.
Mm-hmm.
So it seems like I'm leaning farther, but maybe I'm not really.
Yeah, I get it.
Seems pretty smooth.
Yeah, I bet, with the chain just being lubed and tightened.
Clear, clear. They're both clear. They're both ways.
Woohoo! Get up and go.
Your clutch and all that computerized stuff responds a little differently than mine.
Different how?
Well, like taking off is maybe a little softer and shifts a little quicker. I don't know, that the sports modes might be a little bit different between the two since you've got...
So you're in sports mode 1?
Yeah. I never ride and drive.
Yeah, me either.
So...
But it responds quicker, you're saying, or slower?
It shifts up quicker, which, you know, like my sports mode, the only one I have, keeps the RPMs higher. Whereas this one right now, it seems a little sluggish because the RPMs are shifting at lower RPMs. So if I put it in a different sports mode, it might be more like mine. But.
Well, I don't know, because it also remembers my style.
Well, yeah, that's
so
what I was.
Sometimes when I'm taking off, and I want to go slow, it tries to go fast because, I don't want to go fast when I'm creeping into the garage, and sometimes it thinks that, and that's not a good thing. Or it could be because I've got pressure on the throttle and I don't even realize it. So
Yeah. Well, my key in those situations is to move the throttle slightly, and you have to wait. You have to kind of pause and let the whole thing happen. And if you turn the gas more and not wait, then it's going to take off faster.
Right.
So that's how I handle that. But I was also alluding to the learning function.
Oh, okay.
You know. But then the sports mode programming could be different, and the learned programming could be different.
True.
Because I tend to just take off really fast.
Yeah.
When I'm going back and forth to work, I just bomb. Because I want to get ahead of the other cars and not be all stuck in a group. So. Of course, you'll never catch up with us. We're so fast.
Definitely feel the bumps more on this.
Yeah. Don't have.
Ooh, these trees. Pretty.
I don't have 2 feet of suspension travel.
Well, after lowering it, there's a lot less.
Yeah, a little less. Still more than the CTS has, huh?
I mean, it's not that bad. I make it sound like it's horrible when it hits bumps, but it's actually not that bad.
Oh, I know.
Relatively speaking, when you compare it to the Ninja I had, it's much better. This seat definitely is comfortable.
Yeah, and that's not even the fancy seat.
Well, what do you think of my seat?
Pretty good compared to what it was.
Yeah. This bike definitely has some get up and go, though. I mean, it's
yeah, it's quick. It's not fast, but it's quick.
It's quick enough, you know?
Yeah.
For our needs.
Yeah. Very rarely use all the power available on the other bikes we had. If I really got on it hard on that VFR, it scared me, you know? I was like, oh, I don't ride that way, and it scares me. Why would I have the...
You go on the left?
Yeah.
Left edge, left edge, left edge. Left,
yeah,
left,
I should have
left.
signaled, I know. But.
As they say in the instructors out there in the UK, left, left, left.
Right.
Right.
Right-o.
I think they repeat it, so it's like very clear.
Yeah, I would imagine clarity would be good. Well, I would say the test ride passed. Where the hell are you going?
I don't know. That was fun.
Yeah.